Hi guys, it's Jordan here, and the reason why I'm not using my new mascot, I know you just saw my face right there, but it's okay because you're gonna be seeing a lot more in a second with this ball right here. So, yeah, this ball. And, doggy, come here, come here. You shall be famous. Come here. Okay. Me and my doggy are going to be doing something today. Now it's like blocking his face. Me and my dogs are going to be, like playing game, regular stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, and the reason why I'm using this LPS, guys, because okay. If you haven't already seen my Instagram, if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, my Instagram is Bilbo1238189. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you're going to be seeing my room on there. My room. Whenever it's done this weekend. Because I'm currently cleaning it out. And I might give you guys a little sneak peek on my room. So yes, stay tuned for that. Let's see. No, Bo! No, Bobo, go back. Don't take it. No. Bobo took the ball. Bring it back. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. He dropped it. No! Not again. Because I dropped my LPS and the ball. Okay, so I'm not going to be using the LPS anymore, so I'm just going to put her on the side over here. Okay, so this ball's going to be the star of the show. Bilbo and my ball is going to be the star of the show today. But yeah, stay tuned for the sneak peek of my room. Because, I've been spending like 5 hours on it earlier today. Because, my mom told me that if we're going to do this, then I need to clean out my filming area. Because it was terrible. And I had to throw some stuff away that I didn't, use for videos and stuff. It was crazy. And I'll just show you later. Okay, you ready, Bilbo? Come on. He just dropped his mouth. Okay, if you guys didn't see that, I threw the ball up in the air, and Bilbo looked up, and it hit his mouth. And then he just ran away. Bilbo, get the ball! You just dropped it over there in the grass. Don't dig a hole. No, it's mine. He's a little butthole. Drop it. No. Guys, I have a little problem with my dogs. You see. Ha, mine. Want the ball? Come on. I thought it was a good jumper. Bubba, come here. Bubba, drop it. Good boy. You're jumping in the grass, you idiot. Hey, did what I said. Now you guys, okay, can you guys see this pole right here? That's my basketball hoop. And I'm going to try to make this in there. So, let's see. Can I get this back any further so you guys can see it? Yeah, you guys see it there, can't you? I think you can. Here. LPS, can you? Okay, so... No! My phone fell into the dirt! My phone fell in there! My tomato plants. Okay, ready, guys? Hopefully it doesn't fly back there and go into the pond. That'd suck. Look, don't get your face out of the sand! Make it in, guys. Watch this. Ah, suck. No! Gosh dang it, dog! That's why I didn't see that, but he's a freaking savage. Okay, so what happened was it fell on the ground. Just fell on the ground, and then Bilbo just ran over here and took it while I was running to it. Yeah, let's try to do it again. I suck at basketball! Bilbo, no! Stop! Don't beat up the ball! Mine. If I can't make this time, here's my secret trick. That's bull crap. Bilbo, bring it back! No! Okay, guys. So my dog, the little freaking jerk he is, picked it up and went and dropped it over there. He dropped it over there. Now I have to go over there. I don't wear any shoes because, you know, I'm a freaking idiot. And I have a lot of stickers in my yard. Guys, you never know that. Let's see. He drops it over there. I was going over here, Bilbo. And you just... My dog's so annoying. If he comes back and picks it up and drops it over here, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, it's over here. Oh, nice. Thanks, dog. Found it. Now I'm gonna try to get my camera angle right, so you guys can see. Like, is that good? No. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm gonna do this because you see that black line right there? That's just this. Don't worry. What? My phone! It fell in the dirt! Oh, gosh, okay. So, I'm gonna see if I can angle it. You guys see it? Yeah, you don't do that. That's like a freaking basketball. Okay, guys. So I missed. And you guys can see what I do whenever I miss. No, don't. You can't hide it from me. I saw that. He dug a hole and hid it in there. Ready, guys? You're gonna climb, you sucker. I can't put my mouth on it. That's a little weird. Yeah, I did it, guys. I didn't go to gymnastics yesterday, so I'm going to do my bar work. That's a little weird. My neighbor just came as soon as I said that. I'm not doing my bar work, guys. Stupid wind. Let's see if the LPS can make it. Hey guys, it's me, Elizabeth here, and I'm going to see if I can make this. So, let's try. Okay, so Elizabeth is apparently going to try to make it. Right, Elizabeth? Yeah! Elizabeth, you suck. You suck too. Oh, whatever. Ready? Oh, there's sticks in it. Ready, guys? Elizabeth, suck. No. I don't want to go over there, guys. No, Bob, make a point. Okay. Clearly, that did not work. So, Elizabeth is going to try again. I think that was... Pretty sure her name was Elizabeth. I don't know. Ready, Elizabeth?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, I thought Elizabeth was going to make that one. Make the Trick shot. Oh, the LPS made it, but I didn't. I mean, I'm holding the LPS, so basically I made it. But whatever happened here, you don't want to know. So, you know. I made it, guys. No, you didn't. Shut up, Jordan. No. I'm gonna beat you up. No. Boy, guys. So, did you guys see me throw her? Did y'all see me throw her? Okay, you guys know. Okay, I'm filming from my phone, so I can't edit. So I did not do that. I flipped her like this, and she rolled like this, and she landed. Like, I threw her, she rolled, she landed. I don't know how she did it, because she doesn't even, whenever I put her, she doesn't even stand up. So, I mean, like, the frick. Well, I found the ball. Bilbo, you want the ball? I don't know where you went. Okay, guys, so, you guys ready to see my room? Bilbo! Doggy? Oh my god. If my dog's over there. Here you are! You want the ball? Come on, go inside. Go inside. Yes. Y'all are about to see my room. Ready? Shh, my mom's working. Okay, guys, so we're in the hallway. Now I'm in my room. I had a lunch break while I was doing my room. Oh crap, my bed's a freaking mess because I was laying. I just dropped something. Very important. Well, it's not really important, but I think it's important, so I'm going to call it important. Guys, if you see the clip right there. Okay, and you guys, if you guys don't know why I haven't been making videos, it's because, I've been sick for the past week, so I'm sorry if I haven't been making videos in that long time. I'm sorry, but you know, she's sorry too. Oh, yeah, and my mascot's sorry too. See, look, a keeper there. She's sorry too. I'm so sorry, guys. So, you guys want to know where I keep my mascot? I keep my mascot. Oh, where? Right here, guys. I keep my mascot right there. There. Yeah, I don't know why. I just do that. So, I'm gonna put my bed real quick. Okay, you're just gonna stare at her and the rest. Okay. Stupid headphones. My bed is so hard to make. My pug case. Crap, she fell. Now I gotta put this back on the bed. Hey, by the way, guys, I'm going to be, like, doing a Q&A, later next week, I think. Yeah, I'm also gonna be doing a video this week, I'm pretty sure, because I'm getting a package this week. So, I'm pretty sure it's either coming today or tomorrow. I don't know which one. But sorry, you guys already see my room. You probably already see it. But, you know, whatever. So, okay, guys. Let's see my room. Okay, so, here, this is the mess. It's just a mess. But, yeah, I'm painting my room tomorrow. Yeah, so, here's my room. and then back to me. Okay, guys, so that's the, oh crap, end of this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, whenever I hit 20 subscribers, I'll do a 20 subscriber special. Comment down below what you want me to be, what you want it to be about. And as you guys know, my Instagram is Bilbo123A189. Go follow me there. Yeah. Bye-bye.